Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
What a glorious ride. The legacy lives on. Yamaha XSR. Build your own way.
Ka Frank Yamaha kabadon ya ka shlem dia Thukthuk arshaka ha ka shinong nong silang nong thamai shalong ha ka arpoi terek unveiling Hajar option kala plat Paidbah ya ka Thukthuk bathamai kabala tip kerteng kum ka Yamaha XSR ya kani ka Thukthuk bathamai la khap ribon da ki sawot ki influencer ha ka jelang balingkon kabala long ha phalau jong State Central Library shalong ha ringkat ka jingsa kilang utrai jong ka Frank Yamaha uba indon lang pasa ki nong penyat bat ki nong trai jong ka Frank Yamaha kentubru ya ki balasha khot sobha ha kani ka Sngi ki bor penyat jong ka Frank Yamaha kila ai sobharu marshi pho Hajar tingka ya ki Kynhun lani ki riders group jong ki Kynhun ba pher om tang ye ki bodon Yamaha kani ka jing ai subha ya ki kam dei tang ba ki de ki Kynhun banya Thukthuk Henry ki deki group ki bajulai right but Ïarap ya ki brio ki baduk but ki badan kam shisha Ïaka Ïarap kumban chupente bhangni ba Ïaka Yamaha XSR la shina pinwandor da ka timeless style jong ka retro Yamaha motorcycle da ka ba peni solang but ki technology ki batmai kani ka Thukthuk ka hapru hapo ka retro sport.
On behalf of Thukthuk Society, I would like to welcome each and every one of you in this beautiful evening for unveiling of this new bike, that is the Yamaha XSR155. So about our Thukthuk Society, I would just like to tell you a few words. It is a biking community which refers to a strong motorcycle culture, particularly to those of the two-stroke engine. It is also a community based on terms of a large group where people who enjoy riding and maintaining these classic motorcycles in Shillong. Our motto is simple: violent free. Wild, which means escape into nature, remote areas and landscape, and free, which means freeing our own stressful mind from all the weekdays work and stressful days. Our vision and goal is to bring all this in the community and social goals such as encouraging participants and preserving these vintage motorcycles for the future. Since oldest goal, we need to start preserving these beautiful machines so that our future generations can get to witness these beautiful motorcycles.
We don't call ourselves as a biking club, but we are a community. We are a community, so we try to bring all the clubs together to ride for a cause, like something for the society. And also we do some long rides, like tourings and all, to some good experience to explore some good places. This is all about helping, and thank you so much.
Actually inviting us and recognizing us as a group. We are a very small group. We have 5 members in our group. We're called the Kia Heart Valkyries. So how our group started? So it's just 5 of us coming together for the love of biking, for the love of the biking community. So that's how this group started. And mind you, we're all lady riders, like women riders. So I think this is the second group here in Shillong who have women being interested in riding bikes. So talking about our group's motto. So I don't know if you've all seen our videos or you've seen our logo. So we have a logo like representing gear hearts, and at the same time our motto is Kabor Kasham Hanga. Like, I'm pretty sure we all understand what that means. Like, everything, like, what do you say? Like, so like, riding a bike is not just about, it's not only boys riding a bike. Like, girls can do it too. But at the same time, we're not derogating boys. But it's just, we love biking and we love the community of biking. That's why we've started the group, and that's why we are like very passionate about biking. I think that's it.
And I've been riding RX since '99, and I've had a SD Classic 250 also. And all I can say about RX is it's a storytelling machine. And also we should give credit to all these RX, first of all to the RD350. So it's because of RD350 that the RX 100 came about. And I've ridden RD also, and RD has a different feeling, RX has a different feeling. These two bikes is just like a knife cutting through butter. So all I can say is that the love for RX and RD is just beyond words. Thank you.
Terima kasih Pak. Kita ni bancok lah. Aladan nak ni guru macam baik gila. Tapi dia kan. Hanya RX kita lah cuma license. Jadi jika macam banyak RX kalau kau buat guru kalau comfortable. It's very comfortable. Di kebaar kalau ka sur macam ka jisawan macam ka banyak RX kalau kalau dah kau ikut enjoyment di sini. Di sekolah itu kalau bahas. Sebenarnya dia dan kuliah, pola-pola dan kuliah. Dan stick lah majunya ya sekarang ini kita tai ya.
Good morning everyone. Good evening everyone. I am Abilamin and I've been riding for 3 to 4 years now. And I have only one word. Whenever you hear it, you know it's an RX. Thank you.
In the year 2015, just a group of friends who have one mission, who have a passion for bikes and to go for a ride. So after that, we come up with the motto, we ride hard for a cause. So this is the motto of our group. So we ride hard for a cause. The reason why we come up with the motto is because since 2015, we have more than 20 members back then. And from these members, we collected a monthly fee or a monthly fee of around 15 Ps back then. 15 Ps only we started. And then from that, we try to extend our helping hands, trying to reach out to families, and we have these annual projects every year. Since 2015, we already have it, we had more than 10 families that we have contributed. We have had, be it the medical expense, be it the school fees of those kids and especially poor families, and we have different families whom we have helped along the way. So with riding as a passion for the group, we also have this intention to give back to the society that we live in, and especially in these hard times that we live in, we need to reach out especially to those who are in need of our attention, be it from all aspects that you need. So we used to gather from all districts. Back then in 2022, it's in Southwest. We had a project in Southwest Khasi Hills, and then Ribohai district and different districts. We used to go around and look for families who are in need. So these are the motives and the mission of our group, and we'd like to thank Frank Yamaha for inviting us to this event. And from our group, we wish you the best, especially with the release and with the launch of this new model of the bike. And I would like to say this to each and every biker group and biker community who are here. We play a very, very important role as role models, especially to these upcoming kids. How we behave will leave a statement, especially to these upcoming generations. This RX that I recently bought, it's just been about 4 years. I've been riding this bike, going long tours and all that, to different states, different districts in Meghalaya itself. I find out it has a different feel. Once you, like the echoes, the exhaust load, the engine revving, you can go to a high revving performance engine, you can ride it non-stop, it gives you that freedom power and always put a smile on your face whenever you take the bike. So I think so my other members also would like to say a few words.
Hello, my name is Nick. I've been riding my RX for more than a decade now. So my experience is like RX is not just a machine, like everyone has said. It's not the emotion. Riding RX is totally, you can't compare riding a 2-stroke with a 4-stroke. So yeah, it's an old bike. What we need is to take good care of it. We need love and passion. Hello, yeah. Owning this old gem, these are like child. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Riding a 2-stroke, we have been riding quite a lot. We have been riding more in one shot. Yeah. But to be able to achieve that, you need to keep your bike in good condition. And keeping the bike in good condition in today's world is great. For that, you need a lot of love and passion for the bike.
For getting us over here and congratulations for the launch. My name is Sachin. I've been riding RX for almost a decade now. It was a national crush once in my high school sweetheart. I've been riding, I will continue to ride together. The other bikes are good, of course, absolutely. The love for RX is good. The sound, the revving, everything that comes with it. If I have to just put it in words, simple terms, on a chilly day, it would be a blend of old monk with hot water. That would set the mood. Thank you.
There's a feeling that I can't control. I can hear it in my heart and soul. It's calling out to me and you. It's the calling of the moon. Now it's the call of the moon. It's the call of the moon. It's the call of the moon. It's the call of the moon.
Guys, these are the XSR155. So guys, how many we wait for? And I would like all the influencers who are here.
I'm a professional motocross ATV racer. And I'm also the winner of the Yamaha Gymkhana Time Trial event 3 times. I go to Yamaha rocks and I do the discovery. Thank you.
And it's our first time. Hope enjoy. Hello, my name is Hajar. I'm riding a 2-stroke bike, 155cc RX. So now, wishing all the best for the friend Yamaha for launching this bike. And I hope that it's like fruits and vegetables. Thank you.
I also go by cocktail rides. So I do YouTube and I also basically ride Yamaha bikes, and I'm pretty much involved with Blue Streaks, which is a group of Frank Yamaha India actually. So really excited to be here to finally be able to unveil this bike with you guys. And this bike, it really looks nice, and I I'm really thankful for Frank Yamaha for even inviting me to be part of you guys to unveil this bike. Thank you so much.
So, people email their opinions how you feel about the bike. Now, do that. And we will have a test ride as well. So don't worry guys. Has prepared mementos to be given to all the mementos. We have as ba Indan lang pasa and kung iba and ribbon siya. And Darren. There's a memento and another surprise. Can you guess? Three parts from Yamaha. Actually, it's more than that. Cash of 10,000 rupees. From Yamaha to help you as a group, as a society to carry on forward with your legacy, with your work towards contributing to the society. Thank you so much, Frank Yamaha. And from Cafe Racer, you have one, right? Welcome to Cafe Racer.
Play, yang baru Kiba Pyllait por, penuan siya kanil unveiling jangka Yamaha XSR155. La design, but penuan dulu ya kanil baik, kaya Yamaha XSR. Dapat timeless style jangka retro Yamaha motorcycle. Dan pinasok lang, but technologies Kiba thamai, but to performance Kiba kham janai. Kani gabay kahap hapo kategori jangka retro sport. Tapi duan dulu ya kani gabay yang motorcycle. Halal kawai kay Japanese concept kabong on to chishin, meaning study the old better to better learn the new. Kamuman puli ya gibarim panang penmaha ya kabatmay. This motorcycle represents a rider who celebrates where we come from and at the same time embrace where we are going. It's a machine for individuals who believe in charting their own path, who believe in build your own way. Kaya Yamaha XSR, kaya 655cc, liquid cooled engine, but the Dandu Ïaka traction control system, assist and simpler clutch, but kiwi binta, kiwa pun klan shushu Ïaka performance joka. Kadandu ki customize kit, kiba ngila man perkela siya ka scrambler, but kumju ru ka cafe racer. Kaya showroom price joka Yamaha XSR155 kadai silak 10,000 tinggal. thank kita, hublay, thank you, mitela.
이거 무조건 안 돼.